Hello guys, so today we'll see how to do CARCAT installation and how to set its positioning right. Many people have lots of doubts, fitted this way, not that way. So today we'll cover it all. So look guys, here the CARCAT is already installed in the car. Once it's installed, two things you must check. First is the green and blue LED should be blinking. It has various patterns which keep on changing, and that's the pattern what scares the rat. So we have got countless such patterns with us. Secondly, after 30 seconds, a beep sound comes. There it is. So this beep sound and this green and blue LED. If both these things are there, that means your device is working properly. You don't need to change any program. So I have got a new device here. So we will check. It also comes with an installation manual. This is the device, the CARCAT device, CARCAT Red 4th version. So here one device is already installed. So place it facing forward. You can see almost 10 inch of space in front. That's where the ultrasound comes out and spreads. Don't point it upwards, don't point it downwards. Keep it facing front side. Every car has a different space layout. You can install it wherever it fits, here, here or even here. Those small metal pipes, you can tie it there using a cable too. If your car is under warranty, then do not do any screwing. So there are many smaller metal pipes here. The surface is hard, so we can easily tie it with a cable tie. In this, you will also get cable ties. These are strong cable ties, can last for 4 to 5 years, nor it will break. The red color goes to positive. Black color goes to negative. You have to open the terminal and place it tight, because if you leave it loose, there will be chances of battery leakage there. Now here comes the fuse. Fuse is here. So what was there in second generation? We used to remove the fuse before installing the device. But in between, what happened in some cars, off-roading vehicles, the fuse would get loose and fall off. So after that, we had done an improvement in the 4th generation. We kept it really tight. It won't come out easily. And this is also the improved version. So you need not to remove the fuse. Just go ahead and install the device directly, right? No problem at all. And if you really want to remove it, say you need to turn the device off, then pull it out a bit tightly. See, right now it's a bit tricky to remove, but it will, come out like this. You just have to move it like this, and then you can place it back tightly. We have purposely kept it tight. So as we mentioned before, the 4th generation is an improved version. Now you don't even need to remove the fuse. You can directly install the device. Only while installing this touch button here, right on top of config, this is where we have to change the modes. Here modes are given and they are easily accessible. So keep the device facing forward. You shouldn't have to reach around awkwardly. Just tap from the front and change the mode. Now let's talk about modes, because many people have a doubt, do we really need to change the mode? It comes with an auto program. So for most normal cars, you don't need to change anything. Now I'll start the car. Once the car starts, after a few seconds, it will put green LED stable. That means it's gone into standby mode. So now you saw standby mode is on. So that means the device is now completely off. Now it won't consume battery anymore. So now let's turn the device, the car off. So after a short time, it should start blinking again. Right now the car is off, but still it is in standby mode. It will take a little time to come out because the battery has to drop below 13 watt, will take some time. If you notice blinking while installing the device, it takes a little time. But if it shows solid green light while installing, then you have to notice how long it stays on. If the car is off for more than 1.5 to 2 hours and still it is not on, then it's time to remove standby mode. That's when you might need to change the mode, and it only takes 15 to 20 minutes, and we have already uploaded that video on YouTube. If you still have any doubt, just call our WhatsApp number or the calling number. You will get your bonus support there too. So just now we saw how standby mode works. Now let's talk about shutdown mode. Some people don't drive their car for 15 to 20 days. Sometimes they go out of station and then they worry, what if my battery drains? They want the car to start immediately when they return. So basically this device uses very low battery. In our last video we showed the actual battery consumption. In most normal vehicles, even after 10 to 15 days, there's usually no issue. Just a little extra cranking power if your battery level is low. But to stay on the safer side, we always say if you don't drive your car for 6 to 7 days, just take it for a half-hour drive on day 6 or 7. That way your battery stays charged and there's no issue at all. Because even if your car is not running, it's not just the CARCAT that uses battery. Your car has many safety features like monitoring systems. They also, consume battery because they consume power even when the car is off. That's why many companies and service centers suggest to drive your car once every 6 to 7 days. Some people really want to save their battery. That's where shutdown mode helps. What does shutdown mode do? As soon as your battery drops to 10.5 volt, CARCAT will sense it, and the moment it hits that level, CARCAT will automatically turn off. You'll see a solid red LED. That means shutdown mode is on. Now, CARCAT won't give any rodent protection as it is off. Only the red LED stays on, just to indicate that shutdown mode is now on. So our advice is that if you are using this device for rat protection, make sure your battery stays charged. And this mode on the device, shutdown mode, we set it off by default. It's completely your choice to turn it on or not. This device also has an audible beep mode. You know, the beep sound that comes every 30 seconds. Many products in the market have now started copying CARCAT. The features you see in this device today, other products will have them after a few years, but that's only the electronics part. The actual ultrasonic crystal and the ultrasonic frequency is our trade secret. It's not easy to copy that. Most just copy the electronics, and some people say this is beep sound, rats run away hearing beep sound, but rats only respond to ultrasound and our frequency range is very different from theirs. We added this beep sound just so we humans don't have to keep opening the bonnet to check if the device is working. This is for us. It simply tells you, yes, I'm on. Now some people get annoyed by the beep sound. They don't want it at all. Earlier in the second generation, the device was on for 24/7. So even while driving, the beep would go off and that used to disturb some people. So now if you don't want this mode on, you can simply disable it. Your LED will still blink. This option is also a part of the mode settings. And yes, we have explained that clearly in our video too.